Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning just a few minutes before 9, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 558, and if you have any interest in the futures, your time is running out. We absolutely are getting filled up here, and also, if you like my work, please hit subscribe. Okay, so Asia and Europe are both up. Mostly on COVID and Brexit. British pound is up because people are encouraged with the Brexit negotiations, or the fact that they're actually even having them. In some other world markets, MSCI is now dropping all of the Chinese blacklisted or sanctioned companies out of their indexes, their ETFs. We also have news this morning in the cannabis area. Tilray and Apria looks like they're going to announce a deal this morning, and it's an all-stock deal. I think that Tilray may be the smaller of the two, and it's $10 up to $13, a price that it hasn't seen in quite some time. And if you recall, this was the hot stock when we first started seeing this. Tilray went from 0 to 300 pretty quickly, came back down almost as quickly. Oil is higher. It's what we have on the screen here. Actually, right now it's down 6 cents. It was a little bit higher. There was a supply inventory supply was a little higher than expected, but it's still higher. We also had retail sales today, and this number is really, I don't even know why people listen to it, and I'll tell you why. Retail sales were down 1.1% versus an expectation of up 0.3%. The reason that I find it so hard to use this is because the October number was revised down from +3 to -1, and the September was also lowered to -0.1 versus 0.2 on the positive side reported. Most of this had very little effect on the futures. Right now we have the Dow looking like it's going to open down, up about 10, the S&P up about 6, and the NASDAQ up about 15. We also have an announcement from Google that they seem to have fixed the Gmail issue that they had for the last couple of days. And as I said, gold is a little bit higher based on expectations of the stimulus, although from my perspective, I just don't get why them doing very little of anything continuously, giving us, some minor hope that it's going to get done, and they're not leaving for the holiday, and we're going to have it's all just amazingly ridiculous that this gets play every single time. Amazon is also in the news here. They are requesting that their Amazon employees and Whole Food employees get weekly COVID tests. I don't know that there are enough tests in circulation, and that brings up the other issue of the COVID vaccine, which, the logistics are falling well short of what was promised. And so I'm going to guess that we're going to have a bunch of spoiled stuff if it doesn't get used in time. But that's just the way that the government tends to work. Okay, so here is the oil, and again, we are looking at it right up here. As I said, it's down a little, down 3 cents, but it is holding up in this area. And to give you a better look at that area, take us up to this $50 area at the least. This is about 53 and a quarter for the 200-day MA, and the red line is the 100-day MA. So we're just under that. If we go through, my guess is we're going to rally a little harder. All right, everyone. Have a good day. I'll be back tonight.